Hello, welcome back, friends. So, are you ready? So start Brainbuster, general knowledge question with answer. Subscribe this channel. All right. So, let's go. Let's play quiz. Which gas was first used in World War I? A. Helium. B. Hydrogen. C. Chlorine. D. Nitrogen. Answer C. Chlorine. The book Post-American World is written by A. Michał Kosudowski, B. Mark Taliano, C. Brzezinski, D. Fareed Zikaria. Answer D. Fareed Zikaria. The Five Star Movement is a political party in A. Turkey, B. Norway, C. Italy, D. Canada. Answer C. Italy. Guantanamo Bay is located in A. USA, B. Tanzania, C. Cuba, D. Mozambique. Answer C. Cuba. Switzerland of the Middle East is A. Jordan, B. Iran, C. Tajikistan, D. Lebanon. Answer D. Lebanon. The biggest island of Indonesia. A. Sulawesi, B. Java, C. Seram, D. Sumatra. Answer D. Sumatra. Turin was first capital of which country before her current capital? A. Italy, B. Germany, C. Switzerland, D. Nepal. Answer A. Italy. In which country is the Great Slave Lake? A. USA, B. Canada, C. South Africa, D. Iraq. Answer B. Canada. How many total number province in Afghanistan? A. 28, B. 31, C. 34, D. 37. Answer C. 34. Glasgow is the seaport of which country? A. Scotland, B. Germany, C. France, D. Iran. Answer: a Scotland. There are rings in the symbol, logo, of Olympic Games that represents continents of the world. A. 5. B. 6. 7. D. 8. Answer: a 5. Thanks for watching.